Dr. Lee, it's the brain neurons I somehow crisscrossed.
Yes, I think the estrogen can make your nerves connect in different way. So
mood swings, Doc. The mood swings from A to Z, and then there's another alphabet, the Greek alphabet. Mood swings among women is phenomenal. I mean, I just sit here and I wonder, how can you breathe and walk at the same time?
He does. He sits in for hours.
For hours. I take out a pad and I watch you, and I go, what is wrong with your brain? We need bigger needles.
So you have a little room that we can meditate.
I got a big room we can meditate.
And you can put one needle here, or you can press the wrist 3 fingers above the wrist line and press and deep breathing. You bring more oxygen and you calm down your brain right way.
Where on the wrist?
It's
on the left wrist?
3 fingers above the wrist line.
DJ, bring me a 3.5-inch screw.
I sometimes put intradermal needles there.
I feel that.
Yeah. And then you press that, it slows down.
You know, if you can feel that, please consult the doctor. Don't do this at home by yourself. Do not stick needles in your hand. Call the doc.
Call Dr. Lee. This segment brought to you by Boca Raton Acupuncture Clinic. Phone number is?
It's 617-817-1910.
And you're not going to Boston, right? Because it's 12 degrees up there.
Oh, probably next week for a few days.
But Dr. Lee's incredible. She's she's 7 minutes away from us, actually, right near the Boca Raton Regional Hospital. Everything from pain, hormones, attention. You work with children. You work with men, women, surgical, everything.
Yeah. So for pain or neck pain, back pain, and depression, all of this neuropathy. So it's all related with the hormones and the nervous system, immune function.
I wanted to talk to you about neuropathy. Something came out on Facebook where they're having this big thing up in West Palm Beach. And you know what they're using? Laser. Like it's the new science. And everybody and their mother, and I'm not going to go, but I wanted to talk to you about that because there are changes in neuropathy now where you can actually bring back feel.
Yes, because either laser or acupuncture, it helps the blood circulation. And the nerves on your feet or hand can regenerate pretty fast within a few weeks, as long as you can improve the circulation by walking fast or swimming, not sitting all day long.
And it says that you have to teach your feet and your hands to feel again. You have to teach it. For the feeling to come back, you have to teach the cells how to get the feeling
muscle
back.
memory, it's like nerve memory.
I mean, it's amazing.
It's the brain.
So if you have neuropathy, like I have neuropathy, if you got neuropathy, you're diabetic, give us a call. Have a consult. You got nothing to lose. Give it a try because I'm going to tell you, I know what the pain feels like when you are going through this thing.
How's your shoulder, Teddy?
It feels great. Ever since I went to Dr. Lee.
It feels great?
All the way up.
She's young. She has
She's
higher
vibrant.
level.
It took her
growth
one treatment.
hormone.
It's taken me.
Yeah.
One treatment?
Yeah.
And how many you
My
had?
ACL and my knee too.
How many have I had? Wow. Yeah, but I got all those other things going on. I got all this thyroid hormone plus 53. I got a lot of things going on. You, my friend, probably need Dr. Lee to help you deal with
I
me.
just need Dr. Lee to build a wall. So that
Contact Dr. Lee at 617-817-1910, Boca Raton Acupuncture Clinic.